I got into law because I had a friend who really needed a lawyer but didn't feel as though that they could reach out to someone. And that made me realise there must be so many people out there who have problems, who could really do with getting some legal advice, but they're scared to make that initial contact. So I thought, if I can go into a profession where I can help people and hopefully break down some barriers that people may have, then I can do my part for society. Having a good criminal lawyer is so important because it can really determine which way your matter is going to proceed, and I also think it has an impact on the outcome. Having someone who's going to explore all the different options with you and understand that we act on your instructions, so we're not going to do anything that you feel uncomfortable with. I think having a criminal lawyer that is going to look out for your best interests and not theirs is incredibly important, because at the end of the day, clients are the ones that are charged, who have to navigate through the system. And if you don't have a lawyer who's going to look out for your best interests and do everything that they can to ensure that you get a fair and just outcome, you may be in a position where you don't even understand the different options you may have had, and that places you in a vulnerable position. My approach to a case is, regardless of whatever people are charged with, whether they're serious offences or minor offences, is to first look at whether they've been charged correctly, whether the proper procedures have been put in place by police, but also whether if there's evidence or not for them to be charged. And for the client and I to have an understanding that I sometimes am going to be the bearer of bad news. However, they should be comforted in the fact that by me looking out for the worst case scenario, I can be sufficiently prepared for whatever may happen. So working at Robertson O'Gorman has been such an incredible experience for me personally, because the wealth of knowledge that is in this office, I think probably is more than 100 years of legal experience. So being able to go to a colleague to flesh out a case with them, to ask them questions and to bounce ideas off each other has been an incredible opportunity that not many lawyers get. But at the core of it, everyone focuses on what's in the client's best interests. I just want clients to know that there's nothing too shocking or embarrassing for them to tell us. We work in the criminal law sphere. We have seen and heard everything. We're here to help you without any judgment. And we want clients to feel comfortable to be able to tell us what's going on. We're here to help you without any judgment. And regardless of whatever charge you've been charged with, we are going to look out for your best interests and listen to your side of the story so we can help you to the best of our abilities.